just want to move on with it. That's right.
शाला जी, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसा लगा आपको ये स्टोर, एंड हमने देखा कि डिफरेंट ब्यूटीफुल अटायर भी है, तो आप बताइए।
बहुत ही सुंदर स्टोर है, बहुत ही अच्छे डिज़ाइनर्स हैं सोनम और पारस, और मैं मानती हूँ कि मेक इन इंडिया और मेक इन महाराष्ट्र के लिए ये एक प्रतीक है, एक मिसाल है, क्योंकि जो कारीगरी यहाँ देखने मिलता है आपको पता चलता है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे भारत बहुत ही महान है।
सर, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे मैडम आज यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट शाइना मैम हैज़ कम फॉर आवर event and for our flagship store launch, and the wordings and the kind of encouragement she's given holds a lot of importance for us, and it's very encouraging for young designers, for us to be at this platform and to hear something like this.
मैडम, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप आज?
शाइना जी की हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, और हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि हम लोग के इवेंट पे आज थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के आ पाए. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर अस.
ओके, शाला जी, हमें पता है आप खुद एक ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइनर भी है, लेकिन आज यहाँ से कुछ ऐसे पसंद आया हो जो आप
इनकी कारीगरी बहुत अच्छी है, और मैं उनको बोलने वाली थी कि एक सुंदर सा साड़ी बनवाइए, एंड आई बी हैप्पी टू शोकेस इट फॉर देम.
Thank you so much. We will do the needful for sure.
जी जी, ऑन इलेक्शन की कैसी चल रही है तैयारी, अगर आप हमें कुछ बता सकें? 2019
ये ANI बहुत चालाक चैनल है, यहाँ चालू किया, फिर अभी आप इलेक्शन के लिए पूछेंगे और फिर इनका नहीं इस्तेमाल करेंगे.
नहीं, बस इतना ही, अगर आप अगर बोल सकें कि
अभी तैयारी हो रही है कर्नाटका के लिए. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में तो आपको पता है हमारा परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा है, और अभी शिफ्ट फोकस टू कर्नाटका, और कर्नाटका में भी उम्मीद है मोदी जी और अमित शाह जी के नेतृत्व में हम जीतेंगे ज़रूर. थैंक यू.
Thanks.
I'll call you back later. So, can some people stand there? Acha, listen. Get your models to stand there. Oh my God.
All of you just block the lights.
Yeah. Chala, helping me. In a way.
We are yours. Can you all be within the backdrop? Yeah. I'm just taking.
Actually, one sec. Can you two be together and Roshni you apart? Because yeah, that looks. I love this. Yeah, this looks really nice with that thing. Yeah, yeah, like, oh God, wait, girl. It's a nice one, Ravi's. Now there's no. Wind and all coming. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Can we do that? Yeah, Roshni, you're perfect. Come in. Yeah, come in. Come in. You're okay with your this thing is covered? Yeah, lovely. Come together. Oh, nice. Perfect. My blacks are there.
Girls, are you getting a picture? Where are my girls?
Sorry. Take some boomerangs with this wind. Wait.
Boomerang. Yeah, let me like. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
How are you guys?
आतमध्ये नाही कुठे आहे गाडी
Should we go inside or you want to do Hi, Anita. The famous Lidl.
थैंक यू सेम टू एवरीवन।
क्या कुछ होता है आज के दिन वुमेंस डे के दिन क्या फीलिंग होती है मीरा जी की वुमेंस को लेकर?
I think today is a great day to celebrate women and to celebrate womanhood. I think today is the day that we must remember to hold each other up as women and not pull each other down. And I think we should allow each other to grow, allow each other to blossom, and give each other the freedom to choose whatever we wish to do. So, and I think it's a very important day for all of us who have children, to encourage them to allow the girls, both boys and girls, to allow each other to do whatever they want, because I think feminism at the end of the day is about equality.
So do you also believe that only not a one day could be called as a Women's Day?
Of course, every day is to celebrate women, but I think one day dedicated to just celebrating womanhood is also great. Why not?
So like today we have the Sonam and Paras collection. So like what do you really like the most?
I think each and every piece of theirs is very unique. What I'm looking forward to is their Pret collection. It's called Arya, and it's about simple separates, easy to wear, and that's my style. So I'm looking forward to that.
So what makes you what clothing you like to wear the most?
I think you've seen me. I'm always wearing simple stuff, easy to wear, very casual and comfortable.
Apart from this, that one bad habit you want to change about you? One bad habit.
One bad habit. I think I binge a lot. I love food. I absolutely love food. I'm sure you must have seen on Instagram. I'm just always following food posts and everything. So I think I'm now trying to make healthier choices with food. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. I'll see you in a bit. Bye, Meena. See you, see you. Thank you so much. Thank you. बस के भाई खुश बस ना
वुमेंस डे के मौके पर क्या मैसेज होगा आपका women's
तो
day?
एक्चुअली स्वा के साथ आई हैड अ वेरी लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन विद देम Kung Fu yoga promotions के समय I've worn their clothes, so being here is really nice, and the fact is it's in town, so it's 15 minutes away from my house. Very happy.
मैं सबसे पहले जानना चाहूँगी हमारा कि like what kind of outfit you wear today?
So we're wearing a very nice Indo-Western skirt and crop top with a really nice cover up, and it's a printed outfit. You can see the colors are light and pastel, and I think it's bringing us closer to summer as well. So yeah, this is Arya by Spa.
So what next, Amara, apart from this? Like what next? What will be filming?
So right now I'm filming in Chennai. I've just wrapped up shoot with Leena Yadav for my next Bollywood film, and yeah, I have a release coming out in Hyderabad, so all over India.
One bad habit you want to change about you?
One bad habit. I think overthinking. Yeah, a lot. Need to change that. Thank you so much. Thank you.